arguing a bit over there, Michael, is that photo that we have that he took with Paula Belmont in the hospital bed last weekend. The state very annoyed that he would do that. Do you think he's in the wrong as a pro se defendant from consulting with a witness in the case?
You know what? I've always disagreed with my colleagues on this. I don't think so. If you're defending it, by the way, so when I first became an attorney, I read every book I could by experienced attorneys, and some of the stuff stuck. One of the attorneys wrote a book that stuck with me. He said, most of your clients are never going to be able to afford to hire their own investigator. So your investigator on every case should be your client, as long as your client is free. They are the most motivated to go out there and investigate every crime, chase down every lead, talk to every witness, and procure witnesses for you, right? There's a balance between that and witness. You know, a prosecutor say witness tampering. Well, you know, I'm defending myself. My life is on the line. I have no way of reaching these witnesses. The prosecutors can do it. Why can't I? So that's one thing I've always disagreed with my colleagues on the other side of, and that's one of the things that I don't think that he's in the wrong in doing. I mean, they're accusing him of stabbing the woman. He doesn't believe he did it, and she doesn't believe he did it, and so I don't think he crossed the line there. It's one of those things where there's no black and white rule that says, you know, some people will tell you that there's a black and white rule. You can never talk to a witness, but what do you mean? We're investigating a case. You know, in any other institution in our justice system, witnesses are spoken to, right? And it's not possible to have everybody present every single time you speak to a witness. So on that, I don't think he crossed the line, my opinion.